Hi guys, my name is Seetal and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, an even bigger welcome to you. In today's episode, we are creating an A-line dress without a pattern. I've chosen this burnt orange linen fabric which is just perfect for the warmer weather hitting us here in Australia. For the neck facings and pockets, I've used some leftover linen floral fabric. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, I folded the fabric in half twice so I can cut out my front and back pieces on the fold at the same time. I used the t-shirt I like as a guidance for measurements, leaving ½ inch for seam allowance. I also carefully drew out the outline for both the front and back armholes onto my fabric. Next, I pretty much used the entire length of my fabric, which fell just below my knees, for the dress length. And then I drew a straight line up till the armhole area. This dress, my friends, is called a simple A-line dress. I'm not attaching any darts here as I'm keeping it simple. Coming back to the armholes, I decided I wanted my dress to have smaller shoulder strap, so I redrew the armholes based on an amateur guess, just like a pro. Then I measured and drew out the front and back necklines and proceeded to cut all pieces out based on the drawings for the back of the dress. Don't forget to square out the bottom. Next, remove the back of the dress and label it B, and finish cutting and labeling the front piece F. I folded some floral linen fabric in half times 2 and laid the front and back pieces of the dress pieces directly onto them to cut out matching lining pieces. I'm so pleased with this dress. A-line dresses are by far my most favorite dresses to wear because they are flowy and comfortable and just makes it ever more easy to run around in when I'm minding my children. I think the orange color with a hint of floral is just perfect for the spring weather that we have only now entered into here in Australia. I do hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Do tag me in your pictures if you decided to make one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I make a video every week. Hit the like button too so I know that you liked it. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter as well as Facebook at Seattle Creates for more pictures. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next week. Bye!